Baby love balls!
Hello friends, my name is Lorraine and this is Oriana, and today we're going to be reading Colour with Splosh. What's your favourite colour? My favourite colour is blue. Blue. Oriana's favourite colour is pink. Red. Red, okay. Let's read. Colour with Splosh by David Melling. Colour with Splosh. Splosh is playing hide and seek. I'm coming, ready or not. He waddles through a purple gate to see what he can spot. Look at him, there's the purple gate. And who are all those hiding behind the gate? Beneath the tall brown trees, he hops. Brown trees. Along a red brick wall. Red. He's climbing on top of the red brick wall. Across the thick green grass he goes, but finds no ducks at all. That green grass is going in the green grass. I think there's some ducks hiding. He skips around some orange leaves. Orange leaves, like in the autumn. And there's some ducks hiding in the orange leaves, but he hasn't spotted them yet. And past pink butterflies. Look, even the ducks are dressed up as butterflies, and he still hasn't noticed them. He looks among the yellow flowers. Where can they be? He sighs. He's smelling a lovely yellow sunflower. And they're still hiding. Look, they're dressed up as sunflowers. And he's still looking. He spies a small grey rabbit who says, "Look over there." What can he see? Look, he's trails of carrots that the rabbit's left. The grey rabbit sitting on a grey rock. Lots of carrots. And then Splosh sees, not far away, white bottoms in the air. Look, Splosh is looking in the water and oh, look at all the white bottoms in the air. Splosh is getting ready to get in the water, I think. Splosh leaps into the blue duck pond. He quacks. Here's everyone. Look, he's ready to dive into the blue duck pond. And there he is diving in. All the ducks upside down. And dressed up like a rainbow. His friends laugh. That was fun. The grey rabbit, look in the blue, he's splashing in the blue water. And there's a rainbow. What colours are the rainbow? Red and orange and yellow and green. And there's also purple and white, like the rainbow. What's your favourite colour? Brown, blue, orange, grey, yellow, red, white, pink, green or purple? you enjoy that? We enjoyed it too. What was your favourite part? Yeah, I liked when Splosh finally found all the ducks in the pond. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.